Okay, this is a 3S video for all of the people who work in an office or on a computer. So we have a small team, just three of us who work in our office, and it is quite a small space. There's a shared kind of work area and some other small common spaces, but not a lot that needs 3Sing on a day-to-day basis. So we realized very quickly after we started doing a daily 3S practice that we were kind of just shuffling things around and weren't making a lot of long-term improvements. So what we ended up doing is we brainstormed kind of what are some of the key areas that kind of gather clutter digitally and might need to be cleaned up, and it might take a little bit longer than a day or two. So what we created from that was a schedule. You can see it on the board behind me. We have kind of a 2-week rotating version of this schedule where we clean up some key digital spaces for us. There's also a physical kind of office desk cleanup, but that's only once every 2 weeks. And we've just found this has really focused our 3S time and has resulted in a lot of good, meaningful kind of sorting and sweeping, but also the opportunity to create some great standards in our digital spaces.